Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So into the video. Friends, I will share you outdoor decoration ideas. So viewers, let's start today video. So viewers, tires decoration with plants. Plants are one of the best way to decorate outer space. When you use a tire stand for plants, it's look even more beautiful. You can place small pots on the top level, medium plants in the middle, large plants at the bottom. This gives you a natural and balanced arrangement. You can also mix flowers and green plants. This adds color and freshness to your outer space. The tire plant decoration gives a garden-like feel, even a small area. It is perfect for balconies. Seasonal tires outdoor decoration ideas. You can change your tires decoration according to season. For example, in spring, use flowers, soft colors, and fresh plants. In summer, use bright colors, shell or light decoration. In autumn, use warm colors like orange, brown, and leaves. In winter, use candles, light, and cozy decoration. This keep your outdoor decoration fresh and interesting all year. Tires decoration is very flexible. You can easily change items without much fuss. Tire decoration, creative style, outdoor space are relaxed and feel peaceful. When we decorate them with care, they feel more welcoming. Tires decoration add a creative twist to this space. It shows that even small areas can look beautiful. You don't need expensive items. Simple things arranged nicely can treat you. Again, vegan pack tires decoration is all about relief and creativity. Turn ordinary object into a beautiful display. That is the simple decoration.